Oh, she's not gonna come. Don't you remember when the Paddington Bear had a tea party with the Queen? Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Misty Show. It's been a while, friends, since I have done an unboxing try-on video. So today I've got one, and it's from Stitch Fix. So let's open up this box, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about Stitch Fix and how you can get one yourself. So Stitch Fix is basically an online clothing retailer. And so you can get these boxes, and they are curated for your likes. You will fill out a style profile, and you'll give your stylist ideas of certain things that you're looking for, some colors to avoid, maybe some patterns if you don't like florals, if you don't like prints, if you just want, something for work, if you don't want any dresses, if you don't want any denim, if you don't want to show your arms. So it's very fine-tuned to what you might be looking for. So the whole process is you take your styling quiz, your stylist quiz, and that quiz, it's a $20 quiz fee. But that $20 either gets credited to an item in your Fix, or it can be applied as a credit later on. So you take your stylist quiz and you get your box. There's no subscription, so you're not paying for a subscription. Your boxes are delivered when you want them to. So that is something that you check on the website. They'll ask you if you want to waive your styling fee for your next box. That's typically what I end up doing. And then you have some options on when you can get your next box. You look through the items, you try them on, you decide what you like and what you don't like. What you don't want, you send them back in a prepaid poly bag that is shipped with you with every order. And then you are charged for the items that you decided to keep using that $20 stylist fee to go towards your items. The more items you keep, kind of the more you save. So it is a good idea. And what I normally do is if I'm kind of on the fence about one of the items, then I'll put it, I'll say that I don't want it, and then I'll see what the balance is. And then I'm like, okay, I can get it for $10 more, and then I want to keep it. Does anybody else do that, or is it just me? Anyway, what I'm saying is that there isn't any subscription fee. You can also do Stitch Fix freestyle. So you could just go on their website and you can order any items that you might see, and then just, you get them when you want, and then what you don't want, you can send back. It is free return shipping. It's very easy, very, very easy to return. Okay. Well, I see we get some shoes. I love shoes, and I love me some tennis shoes. So the shoes come in this nice bag. We will be trying all of these items on. I'm just going to show them to you first. Oh, I love a New Balance. I do love a New Balance. One thing that I do want to say is I actually do recommend going in and seeing your style preview, because you can say, no, I don't want that. No. So you can kind of edit it a little bit. So if you don't like anything and you're like, I don't like anything, then they'll pick all new items, but you only get to preview it one time. So that's what I'm saying. I like to preview it for the first time, and then the second time I get what I get. So it is a good idea for you to go on and preview it, so you kind of know what you're getting, and you can say, I don't like that, and vice versa. So let's read our note before we show you the shoes. But I do have a discount code, and it is in the description if this is something that you're looking forward to. So Christy is our stylist. Happy Fixed Day. You've made some fantastic selections in your Fix preview. The navy Fortune and Ivy cardigan with its tab design is a versatile piece that can be easily layered over the teal green Threads for Thought sweatshirt for a cozy yet polished look. Pair these with the dark gray Babo, I can never say that word, joggers, for an ultimate comfort on a relaxed day. To complement your choices, I've added the new black New Balance footwear sneakers, which I love New Balance. They make the perfect for both casual outings and more dressed up occasions. Okay. The beige Market and Spruce heart cable knit sweater is another cozy option that will pair beautifully with your favorite jeans or joggers for a chic, laid back style. Can't wait to hear your thoughts. All right, so your outfit cards are now online. Oh, so you can find them by doing this QR code. You can see your outfit options, which is really nice, because if you are style challenged like me, it's good to have somebody like Christy, there she is, that can help me out with this. Okay, so if I keep everything, all 5 pieces, then my total will be $288. But when I get my discount, if I keep all 5 pieces, you get 25% discount, which would be $72 off, which would be $216. And the shipping is always free. So we'll see. But that's the number that I'm saying. You got to play around with it a little bit, because I don't want to keep some things, you know, but if it's only $10, then I might as well keep it. Anyway, so I love New Balance. I have these in gray, and I wear them a lot. So it's nice to have these black. They've got this great suede in the reinforced toe. So these are fantastic. I really like these. I will be probably more than likely keeping these. These are the 237 suede sneaker, and they are $79.99. But they're a good quality pair of tennis shoes, which is going to come in handy now that it's winter. All right. Everything comes so nicely, neatly folded. Okay, so let's open up our little package. Ooh. Okay, we've got some sweaters, which I love because I'm a sweater girl and it's winter time. So this one is a cable knit. So this is a Market & Spruce, the Chloe Hart cable knit sweater. I wish you could feel how soft this is. It is incredibly soft. And you can you see the little hearts? They look like little hearts. I love the color, and it's so incredibly soft. Now this is $55, which honestly for a nice sweater isn't bad. It is a size 1X. So I like that. I'm at the point now where I need to get out all of my winter clothes because I don't know what I have and what I don't. All right, next we have a Threads for Thought Tri-Blend Fleece zip-up sweatshirt. So this is like okay. I would have liked it more if it was a full zip than a halfy zip, but this is super, super soft. We've got a hood. This is also a size 1X. It is so soft. I kind of wish it was a full zip, but we'll still try it on and see. That's kind of the thing where it gets you, because you're like, I don't know that I'd want that. But then you try it on and you're like, okay. So far, I'm liking everything. This one is a Fortune and Ivy Raiden Tab Detail Cardigan. Oh, wait, this sweatshirt here was $59. This cardigan is $40.97. I can't. Okay, this is navy. It tells me the color, which is good because I couldn't tell if this was navy or if it was black. I love cardigan because I love t-shirts and graphic t-shirts, and you can just throw a t-shirt on, throw a cardigan on over it, and you're good to go. So this is also a 1X. Really, really soft too. And I honestly don't think I have a navy blue one. Well, we may end up keeping everything. I don't know. And then last, we've got the joggers, which I'm not a joggers wearer. I like my leggings, but I don't really have any joggers. These are so soft. They feel like pajamas. They really do. These are Bibow Quinton Brushed Knit Cozy Joggers in dark gray. They are a 1X, and they are $54 for a pair of joggers, though. I don't know, but these feel like pajamas. They're like a heather dark gray. There is the end because they're a jogger. Man, those are really soft. Okay, well, that's our preview. So now we're going to go over to the mirror and let's try all of these on and we'll see what we think. Okay, the first one I have is this great heart cable knit sweater. I really, it's so incredibly soft. It is, I'm definitely going to keep this one, I guess is what I'm trying to say. I love this cable heart pattern, which I think for like Valentine's Day is going to be really, really cute. And I really like the color of it. So this could definitely be worn with jeans, with leggings. It's long enough to cover up your butt. And obviously we like that. But I like that it has, like, the way that the sleeves are cuffed, it makes it almost like a little poofy, and I like that. So, yay. Okay, I'm going to have to pull my hair up because it's going to get in the way. But let's go try on the next. The next one is the navy blue cardigan with the buttons. So this is like, kind of reminds me of Paddington Bear a little bit. Queen! Oh, she's not going to come. Don't you remember when the Paddington Bear had a tea party with the Queen? So, I like it. It seems a little big. This one is a 1X. I have short arms and short legs, so I'm used to having to roll things up in order to fit my short arms and short legs. I don't know. I'm going to see, like, this is one, if I can keep it for $10, I might keep it. But this is one that I may end up sending back because I just don't know that I wear it that often, honestly. And there's no point in keeping items that we don't think we're going to wear. So I might end up sending this one back. But if I can keep it for, you know, to get that savings at 25% off, then I may do that. But again, you can definitely layer this one with a graphic t-shirt, wear it with some tennis shoes, and you're good to go for a casual look. But then you can also wear it for a more business attire or a dressier look. And I love a cardigan. I really do. And I don't think I have a navy blue one. So I'm trying to convince myself that I need to just keep it. All right, the next the next outfit that we're going to try on is a whole outfit. We're going to have on the jogger, the sweatshirt, and the tennis shoes. So let's go try those on now. These are so soft. They're so soft. I like that we've got the little kangaroo pocket in because I never know what to do with my hands. So when you're standing and talking to someone, I don't know, you can put your hands in your pockets and it makes the whole world go away sometimes. These pants, you almost feel guilty for wearing them out in public because they feel like jammies. I love them. Oh my gosh. Again, I do wish that this was a full zip sweatshirt. That would have been ideal. It is a little big. It is a 1X. It's a little big, but I had to walk over here to look at myself in the mirror again. I don't know. I like this sweatshirt, but there's a part of me that's like, that's kind of expensive for a sweatshirt. Oh, look it. It's got little thumb holes. Well, that's kind of fun. I don't know. I haven't made up my mind yet. I'm going to run the numbers and see. I absolutely love these pants. And I love the shoes. Here, I gotta hold on to something. I love the shoes. You really can't go wrong with a New Balance shoe. You just can't. So, I don't know, the jury is still out. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna crunch the numbers and I'm gonna decide and I'll show you what I mean about crunching those numbers to figure out what I wanna keep and what I wanna take back. So, let me do that now and then we'll come back and we'll do a little bit of a recap. Okay, I'm looking at the computer right now and it said that I wanted to return this green sweatshirt and the navy blue cardigan sweater. If I keep all 5 pieces, I'll be paying $216.72. If I return this sweatshirt and that cardigan, I'll be paying $202.22. So I'm like, see, it's what I'm saying. I might as well keep these two pieces for just like $10 more. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll wear them. So that's the thing. Sometimes it's best just to keep it all. You get it for cheaper. So do the math. You can go in there and play around with it before you hit confirm and you can see which ones you want to keep. But I love Stitch Fix. So if you're looking for a way that you can expand your wardrobe with great quality pieces that are fine-tuned just for you in your style, give Stitch Fix a try. I will link them in the description down below. I have a code where you can save a little bit of money on your first fix. Give them a try. Let me know how it goes. Thank you guys again so much for watching. It's another Stitch Fix video where I'm keeping it all because it's a better deal to do it that way. But thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Da 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 da